A furry tail thumped happily against the floor. It belonged to Buddy the dog. Buddy the dog had a very important job today. He was the best friend anyone could ask for. Buddy the dog loved to play fetch. He waited patiently for the red ball. When the ball flew through the air, Buddy the dog ran fast. His legs moved like furry pistons. Buddy the dog caught the ball in his mouth. He wagged his tail so hard his whole body wiggled. What was that interesting smell? Buddy the dog stopped his playing. His wet nose sniffed the ground. He followed the scent past flowers and bushes. It was the smell of a tasty treat hidden somewhere. Buddy the dog used his amazing nose. He dug a little with his paws. A delicious bone was discovered by Buddy the dog. What a smart nose Buddy the dog has. After his snack, Buddy the dog decided to nap. He curled up in a sunny spot. A soft sigh escaped Buddy the dog. Then he heard a familiar sound. Bark, bark, bark went Buddy the dog. Someone was coming to the door. Buddy the dog ran to greet them with his wagging tail. He loved seeing his family. Buddy the dog felt happy and loved. His day was filled with fun and sniffing. Being a dog is the best life, thought Buddy the dog. He laid his head on a soft rug. Dreams of chasing squirrels filled Buddy the dog's sleep. Buddy the dog knew he was a good dog.